Hello guys, I am Suresh Machu, founder of Machu Clinic. So I am one of the member of American Academy of Micropigmentation, and we are treating this vitiligo since 2009. We have more than 50,000 of happy, successful vitiligo patients we have bring out their original skin back. And in this session, we are going to show you the real-time process of how we are treating this vitiligo white patch and bringing the actual skin color back. That's the beauty about this treatment. Let's get into the video. And if you guys have any doubt, do comment us and share it to us as much as possible. Thank you. Hello everyone, it's happy to see you all. So in this video, we are going to cover this white patch of vitiligo. So we are going to do it on a multiple places. One it's on the forearm as well as on the elbow and the remaining places. So by keep watching it, you will get to know better. So do watch this video completely to get the complete knowledge. By showing the live process, I am going to explain you the things, how it works, and I am going to share you all the knowledge regarding that. So you will be get a much more better idea to proceed with this treatment. So usually in this treatment, first we will be doing the patch test. Patch test, which means we'll take a small place of your body and we'll do the patch test on that place. Once the patch test got succeeded, so we'll do it on the remaining places of the body. So after the patch test, it requires at least 2 weeks to 4 weeks of the time duration to get to know whether the output came or not. So once the output comes, then we'll be start to proceed with the remaining places of the body. So once this is done, we can get to know whether the output has been started coming perfectly. So as you can see, now we started doing the leg fingers. So even those edges also possible to cover it up. As you can see, the exact color is matching it up, and there is no much of a bleeding as well as swelling. It's completely a smooth process, and the client is really happy for the output, and it's going really smooth and good. So if you are having this vitiligo issue, as you all know, this is the one and only treatment which can give you the highest rate of success. So many of the treatments available in the market, but comparing to that, this latest technology can give you the best output, and it can provide you the greatest result with the least maintenance. So there is no side effects, and you no need to take any tablets, you no need to take any of the particular ointments or something, nothing like that. It's all easy peasy. So it's very easy to be go ahead with that. And many of the times clients get confused regarding the patch test. Patch test is nothing but to get to know whether your skin is ready to accept this artificial melanin inks or not. So the ink which we are going to use for this treatment is a vegan certified organic ink, and it's completely safe. There is no side effects at all. It's a zero side effects. And many of them thinks this is similar to tattooing. No, it is 200% different from tattooing. There is no relevance between tattooing and this. So no need to worry about and no need to compare about this with tattooing. Both are completely a different process. It is called as a nano pigmentation needling. So it's the advanced technology. So the ink which is made for this is completely made for a vitiligo clients, so that they can get the exact output. So that's how the ink has been made to provide the best output. And as you can see, it's exactly matching the skin tone, and there is no even a single swelling or bleeding also. So that's the success rate of this treatment. I'll meet you guys in the next video. Please do share the videos to everyone.